natural health for beginners.
Indulge your skin with the comforting, warm scent of pumpkin spice while deeply moisturizing it with this DIY pumpkin spice body butter recipe. Perfect for fall or any time you want to pamper yourself, this body butter is easy to make, luxurious, and smells good enough to eat. Here's how to create your own pumpkin spice body butter with exact quantities. Ingredients: half a cup shea butter, a deeply moisturizing base that nourishes and protects the skin. Half a cup cocoa butter, adds a rich, velvety texture while improving skin elasticity. A quarter cup coconut oil, provides intense hydration and melts effortlessly into the skin. A quarter cup sweet almond oil, lightweight and packed with vitamins E and A, it's perfect for smooth, healthy skin. 1 teaspoon pumpkin spice blend, for that quintessential fall aroma, ensure it's skin safe and free of irritants. A common blend includes cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, and ginger. 5 to 10 drops vanilla essential oil, adds a sweet note to complement the pumpkin spice. 5 to 10 drops vitamin E oil, acts as a natural preservative and helps maintain skin health. Instructions: melt the butters and coconut oil. Combine the shea butter, cocoa butter, and coconut oil in a double boiler. Heat gently until completely melted. Stir occasionally to blend the ingredients evenly. Cool the mixture. Remove the mixture from the heat and let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Place it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes or until it starts to solidify but remains soft. Whip the body butter. Transfer the cooled mixture to a mixing bowl. Use a hand or stand mixer to whip the mixture on medium speed for 5 to 7 minutes until fluffy and creamy. Add oils and spice blend. Gradually mix in the sweet almond oil, vanilla essential oil, pumpkin spice blend, and vitamin E oil. Continue to whip until all the ingredients are fully incorporated. Store and enjoy. Scoop the whipped body butter into an airtight container or jar. Store it in a cool, dry place. Usage: apply a small amount of body butter to dry or damp skin. Massage gently until absorbed. Use after a shower or bath to lock in moisture for silky soft, glowing skin. Tips for best results: always perform a patch test to ensure no allergic reactions to any ingredients. If you live in a warmer climate, store your body butter in the refrigerator to prevent melting. For an extra autumnal feel, decorate your jars with labels or twine before gifting. This pumpkin spice body butter is a seasonal must-have and makes an excellent homemade gift for friends and family. Happy crafting and enjoy the fall vibes. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.